Everyone, respected President, our Panbari Sankardev Senior Secondary School's Principal Sir, my lovely and caring teachers, honorable chief guest, parents, and all my dear friends. Myself, Moiful, and I'm 10 standard. Today I'm going to speak about Teachers' Day. I am very happy that I got the chance to speak on this occasion. Today is 5th September and we are celebrating Teachers' Day. So, at first I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was an excellent teacher, great scholar and President of India. Teachers' Day is the best way for a student to express love and respect for their teachers. Teachers teach us good manners and make our future bright. Teachers are our real heroes and our best friend. My dear teachers, we never forget you in our life. We are thankful and grateful for all your efforts today and every day. I love my all teachers. Some like Sunday, some like Monday, but I like today. Happy Teachers' Day. East or West, our teacher is the best. Thank you so much.